I'm Mark Walters, and I'm the owner of Mark's Machinery in Fort Smith, Arkansas. I had a customer that came in here one day, and he was looking to get some woodworking tools, and he had purchased a laser engraver from Epilog Laser Engravers. And he said, Mark, I'd just about trade my laser engraver for some woodworking machinery. I said, I'd just about make that trade. Picked out the tools he wanted, and I delivered them to him, and we picked up the laser engraver and took it to our house, and that's how we got into it. Didn't know anything about laser engraving at all. I had this one came up that we could trade for. I thought, that might be kind of a cool thing to have, just to help promote the business by putting names on cups or, making promotional items. I thought it was a good trade. We learned how to make the little logos on acrylic, and I cut out my logos and we made Christmas ornaments. It looked really cool, make a really cool Christmas ornament. And then my daughter Madison was in middle school, and she cut out one that was the shape of a bulldog, or it looked like a bulldog and had her name on it. And she took it to school, and she came home with orders for like $60 worth.
When I first started working with the laser engraver, I was 13 years old, about the start of my 8th grade year.
From there, we learned how to do the tumblers.
I started helping my dad put his logo on tumblers.
I thought, well, it'd be cool, since I have a business, to people that buy equipment and machinery from me, a good gesture just to give them a tumbler with my logo on it and phone number. And so we started doing that. We would buy tumblers from a local store and laser engrave my logo on them. And if you buy a nice table saw or a planer or something from Mark's Machinery, then we would give you a tumbler. Then one day we got the idea. I told Madison, I said, if you'd learn how to personalize these tumblers, you could probably make you some spending money.
I did a few for the store, and he taught me how to use the laser, and then I decided I should maybe make a business out of it. I put it on Facebook and said I'm starting a small laser engraving business, and from there it blew up.
Boy, that was an understatement, because we put it on Facebook and it just exploded.
The main thing that I did were tumblers. I did all kinds of brands, all different sizes and all different colors.
She was covered up with orders. And we had the one laser engraver that we had traded for, and it's at our house. And I would work at the store, and 5 o'clock, I have to run home and try to help Madison catch up on these orders.
I got so many orders in the first week and months that I did it.
The rule was, when you get home from school, she would get home about 3:30, you get your homework done. And when I get home at 5:30, we'll start doing cups. At 9 o'clock, if we weren't finished with the orders that we had for that day, I would finish them out. Sometimes I'd be out there till midnight trying to keep her caught up on these cups, but we had to get them done, because if we didn't, tomorrow has a whole new set of orders.
In 2017, when business started to pick up, I decided it was time to add another laser. I could do my work at home or at my dad's store. I've learned a lot about time management with this business. I usually set about an hour or so after school to get any homework or anything else that I need done. And then sometimes I come to the store or I work at my house to do my laser engraving after school and on Saturdays and Sundays. Sometimes it can be a challenge to juggle school and my business and all the activities that I do, but at the end of the day, it makes it all worth it. I like the cups. I like doing the Arctic cups. Some of my most popular items are still the cups. I get orders all the time. I love how the silver shines through, and it's just really fun to do those. I kind of thought at the beginning when I started this business that, oh, it's a fad, it will fade away, and it hasn't. It's really just been picking up still, and people are still ordering tumblers. When I think about my business, sometimes it's definitely stressful, but most of the time I'm just really proud of what I've done, and I'm just happy to offer these services to anyone, and it just makes me feel really good inside. I was very surprised when I started this and it took off how profitable this business is and the demand for the service. One of my favorite things to think about when I'm doing this, and it just motivates me a lot, is I'm 16 years old and I already have a start in life, I feel like, and so it's just been a great opportunity. I never thought it would get this big. I'm really excited to see where the future goes and what it holds. I mean, I've thought about like my career, and I'm don't exactly know what I'm going to do yet, but I know that I'll always have my laser engraver business to fall back on and just keep expanding. It feels really good to work with my family. I'm so thankful for my parents, and I'm thankful that they set this up for me.
We really had no idea what to expect when we got this laser engraver, and you know, Madison has kind of taken it to a different level, because at first I was showing her how to do it and showing her how to do the software, but she has just kind of blown me away, because now she's showing me how to do stuff. And I tell you, I'm so proud of her at how much she has done with this business, and it's like it's just blossomed.
The sky's the limit, and there's endless possibilities you can do, and don't be scared to take that first jump. Just go for it.
There's something special about a kid that's 13 years old, that's still in high school or junior high, that starts a business that turns out to be a success. And you know, she has so many repeat customers that calls and wants her to do it. She's got good reviews. Everybody just loves the work that she does, and I'm really proud of her.
Follow me on Instagram.